Hi, Jennifer. I just wanted to create a quick video for you to remind you about where to find the instructions for setting things up in D2L. So I'm already logged into D2L using my S number and my password. And remember, we talked on the day I came to CDC. The password is the same one that you set up for the eWolf login. So if you want to log into eWolf and then click on under Faculty Tools on D2L, it will help you to get into D2L. Or you can go to any Front Range page has a D2L link on it, as you see there. So I'm already logged in. I'm going to go ahead and go into one of the classes I'm teaching this semester. And from here, so you should be able to enter into your course. And I remember when we met that you were, but you were having problems accessing the FRCC resources. So any of those, you should be able to click and get to those resources. These are also for students, just FYI. And then tech support is the one I think you were blocked from. So if you click D2L instructor tutorials, it should open. The D2L coordinator is telling me you now have access to those. And then the tutorials link is here. It's going to open yet another tab. So you see we have these 3 tabs open. And this is the tutorial page. From here, go to course materials and content. And then the page will load. And on the left-hand side are all the modules to teach you about how D2L works. So remember we spoke about you uploading your syllabus. I remember that you do that on content. So that would be under course materials, and then all the information about how to load things onto content, how to make modules and submodules is there. But if you're just uploading one document, you can just upload your syllabus in one location, and I'll show you how to do that before we log off. And if you scroll down a little bit further on the table of contents, did I miss it? Grades is somewhere in here. Oh, it's under progress. I apologize. Just kind of folded into that one module there. So the grades is under progress, and then grades, and then all of these, they're set up as websites. So for instance, you'll start with the setup wizard, and so this will give you all the instructions for the setup wizard, and then how to set up columns to record points that the students have earned this semester. I'm going to go back into my English course and just show you that where show you where you can load your syllabus, and then this will be done. So under course materials content, so that's the same path we use to find the instructions in the tutorial, but you'll notice that I've created a topic, and so what I did was it's all the way at the bottom now, but since you have a brand new course, this add a module is probably at the top, so I just typed syllabus in there, and then it created this syllabus page, and you'll see that I uploaded my document here, and I did that by doing new upload file, and then you can find where your syllabus file is, wherever that is, you'll find it and upload it by clicking add. I'm just going to click cancel, but once you see the document loads here, you can click the add button, and then it will show up here, and then when students click on it, the syllabus is inside the D2L framing here. They do have the ability to scroll down and download a copy as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to come back to CDC to help you out with these things, as I mentioned before, but wanted to send you a quick video to show you very, very, very fast how to do those things. And let me know if you're having any more trouble. Thanks a lot.